students, today we are going to learn about how to run the Linux online terminals so that you could practice Linux commands on this online terminals. So today I am going to show you two terminals. First is OnWorks Linux terminal and second is the Webinal. So let us begin with, go to Google, press on More Tools, press on Extensions. Now here you can see I have already installed this, but how to install this? Go to your extension tab, open Chrome Web Store, and in the search the store just type there online OnWorks Linux online server. So here the first option is the Ubuntu free online Linux server. Since I have already installed this, here it is visible as rate it, but here one option comes up, add to Chrome. Just press on the add to Chrome and then the extension will be installed in the Google Chrome. Now how to open it? Go to More Ubuntu operating system. Here you have option to use multiple operating system. Now for this practical, let us say I am going to use Ubuntu 16. So I will go to Ubuntu GNOME 16, press on Run Online. Then press on Start and OS Ubuntu 16.04 version will be started. So it will take a while to reserve the hardware for us online. And one by one, after these 7 steps, the Ubuntu desktop will appear in front of you. So let us wait for a while. It actually also depends on your internet bandwidth. Now here you can see Ubuntu desktop is visible. You can press on plus symbol to increase the size of this, or you can press on the minus sign to little bit reduce it. Just click on the terminal and the terminal will be started. So this is how you can use this Linux online server to execute your Linux commands. So for your example, I have typed here date, and as you can see the date is visible here. Now second method is open an account on the Webinal. Here, since I have already created login, hence my login name is visible. For the first time users, you have to first create the account. Then next, click on the terminal option. To get the full screen, click on the launch it button, and here you can see it will ask me my login name. So whatever login that I have created at the registration, I have to put it there. Then it will ask me my password and I have to put my password. And finally I will get the terminal for execution of Linux commands. So here again I have given the example of date. Okay, so this is how you can practice your Linux commands online even if you have not installed Ubuntu or any other Linux distribution on your desktop. I hope you have understood this. Thank you for watching and come back for future tutorials.